As a psychiatrist, it is of utmost importance, obviously, to have a human connection when having a conversation. When COVID happened, we don't do a lot of virtual visits. It was really unique.
We found that you really had to make a change of plan. The first thing we did was making sure that people had a digital connection.
Arkin was technically ready for the pivot, not only towards virtual counseling, but also towards remote work.
The use of Microsoft Teams has turned out to be very advantageous.
In 1 or 2 weeks, we upscaled so it would be possible for thousands of visits a day, and that it worked so fast.
I had a lot of hesitations with video counselings. I think we were all very stressed, not only the psychologists, but also our patients. And it all went away after, I think, the first session.
One of the things I've learned in this COVID crisis that even without being physically in the same room, video conferencing via Microsoft Teams enables me to maintain and build up contact with my patients.
When we chose for Rapid Circle, what we were looking for was a partner, but that also has some proactive approach. During the corona crisis, protocols or working instructions would change by the day. Something that we developed with Rapid Circle was an app developed with Power Apps that has all protocols, working instructions for employees, but that's real-time available.
What I discovered the past 3 months is that I had a lot of less no-shows. So when my patients are sick or they don't feel like coming to my office, I can just video call them and I will see them directly.
Virtual counseling also resulted in more time they could free up for spending to patients. And this is the time when patients really needed extra attention.
I see a lot of potential in the combination for video counseling and face-to-face sessions. The future of care is changed now.